why does the market reverse at key levels, right? What are you missing in your trading, right? So what if I told you the answer is tape, right? I'm going to show you how you can read the tape like a professional trader. So the first thing to understand is the basics of market structure, right? So what we had over here is we had a structural low, we had a structural high, and then we had a new lower low down here. So what we can see over here is a very, very clear shift of the market structure, right? This is a shift of market structure over here. Now, every market structure should be validated by a fair value gap, right? So the fair value gap is something we see just over here, right? So price has created a fair value gap, and we see price reversing off this fair value gap. Now, the amount of traders that get this wrong is truly alarming, right? You need to know what is going on within this region. You need to know what's going on in this reversal for you to catch the down trade. And there's only one way you can do that, right? So stop listening to these power of three influencers and take your notepad and pen out. So this is the exact same chart over here, but I have access to the order flow, right? So when you see lots of blue over here, right, this is the same fair value gap as earlier, but we have a lot of blue over here. So what this means is that we have a lot of aggressive buyers in this region, but price came to the downside, right? So we see a lot of aggressive buyers that are met by a lot of aggressive sellers. So this tells me right in the moment that the buyers are trying to push price higher, but they are failing, right? The fact that they are failing shows you that the fair value gap is in control and you should be looking for sells. As we go back to the charts over here, what we can see is we see aggressive buyers that are failing in this area. So you can actually take a short position from this fair value gap with the stop loss just above the local highs over here. And you simply want to be targeting the weak structural point over here. So this gives you a nice 1 to 2.4 hour trade. Right, so if you are interested in reading order flow in line with ICT concepts, just comment the word order flow and I'll send you a free guide and a free calendar link so you can book a free one-to-one session with myself.